Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Samyuktha Vinod. So today's video is going to be a review video again with the newly launched product from NYKAA, that is their liquid highlighters. So as soon as I saw this liquid highlighters are coming, so I just felt very I was very excited to use this liquid highlighters. So I always prefer using liquid highlighters than a powder highlighters, so that gives you a very good glow. So that's the main reason which I prefer liquid highlighter. But I was not wrong, so actually it really worked well. So I just share with you few positives and negatives along with my review. So subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the bell icon, especially the all button, to get notified whenever I upload new video. So first of all, I would say that, tell you the name exactly, it's NYKAA Strobe Glow Liquid Highlighter. So this is the product and this is how it looks from inside. This is the overall look of the product. Okay, so it comes in 3 different shades. So the shade number 1, or first shade I would say, is gold mine. This gold mine is totally like a bright golden shade. This shade is very ideal for deeper skin tone, like for duskier to deeper skin tone people. This shade will be quite a good choice, I would say. Second one is this glazed bronze, which I'm using right now. The glazed bronze is for, say for example, light to medium skin tone people. I would say this one is a good choice, and this is a quite bronzy color, so it suits like both like medium to deeper skin tone, like slightly deeper skin tone can go with this. Next shade is blushed moonlight. It's more of a pink undertone, and most of the Indian skin tone people, this will not suit according to me, because it has got some pinky color to it. So what happens is, those are very fair with pink undertones can go with this like blushed moonlight shade. Next comes the price. So the price point, I would say it is rupees 699 for 20 ml of product. It might feel like little pricier, but I would not say it's completely like that, because there are other highlighters, say for example L'Oreal's one also, like even they have got around 700 or 800 rupees, I'm not sure, for the liquid highlighter. So this is not, I would not say it's a very big negative for the negative price point, but it's very good. The product is good, so you can very well, I would say, I'm ready to pay that amount. I'm okay with that. The texture part, so the texture is not at all, see, I've just added here, you can see there is no chunky glitters to it. So there is no chunky glitters at all, so it gives you a natural wet feel. So you can see I've already used this. You'll see the demonstration also. See how glowy it is. I've not used any other highlighter on top, just this highlighter. See how glowy it is. Just a small pump, one single pump I've just taken it, and I've used it for my entire face, from here, everything I've just used. See how glowy it is, and it gives you a natural finish, and it doesn't have any chunky glitters particle to it. It's a very good, I would say. So I just loved its texture. So as I say, it's quite a thick, it's not too runny, it's not too thick, so it's just about right consistency, and no chunky glitters for sure. So that is a very good plus, I would say. Next one is the product, what it claims, like what are the product properties. It's that it's a cruelty free, it's a paraben free, it's a vegan product, it is a SLS free, and also there is no preservatives, and it is dermatologically tested. So everything is mentioned in the box here. So you can see everything is mentioned here, so that is a very good yay from my side. Next one is its packaging. So these are all the plus I found. So what are the packaging? that is a minus, I would say. So it comes in this clear glass bottle, like with a pump. It's cute, it's looking cute. And the main issue of this product is that the pump dispenser will just suck out every product, so you'll not be able to get the proper product, because it's quite thick. It's not too runny or it's not too thick. So whenever you just do this, there is no, see, you can see there is no product coming out. So that is a very big problem. So every time you have to dip and take, and you just rub it here and you have to use it. So it is not dispensing the product properly. So they should have given some tube kind of packaging, so that it will be easier and product wastage will be also very less. So that is a minus, I would say. So as far as this is concerned, so almost everything is the plus, like only one minus what I found out basically. I'm not sure of the other shades. I'll try putting these like swatches pictures if possible, like from somewhere. I'll just get it and put it here. So the outer packaging is so cute. So it is a black with the like bronzy effect going on. It's very quiet and sleek. So all the informations are mentioned in the back side of the product. So that's it for the today's review. I hope you find it helpful. If you did so, please give me a good fat thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and hit the bell icon also, and do not forget to hit the all button. Like there are 3 options in bell button, so click the all button so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos in future. So thank you, bye.